This board right here has an amazing clacky sound, and it's got some insane specs for the price. This is the Cedu V65 from Epomaker, and it's a retro style all aluminum keyboard that goes for around $130. The board features a gasket mount system, wire and wireless modes, south facing hot swappable PCB, and backlit RGB with these sick plastic pieces that you can put into the switch to make it a bit brighter. The board has these awesome Quake matte switches that feel and sound amazing and have a sorta nuts factory lube on them. I'd easily compare these to Oil Kings. These plate mount stabilizers are pretty good, but did have some tick to them. Luckily, after injecting some 205G0 in them, they sounded perfect. Inside the box, you'll get the board, a little Allen wrench, a switch puller and keycap puller, a braided cable, pieces that go in the switch, and some extra silicone feet. The board is quite heavy and feels pretty sturdy with no squeaks or noise when I press on it. The caps that it come with are some cherry profile PBT retro style keycaps, and they feel and sound quite nice. Something very annoying though is to get inside the board, you have to remove these bottom feet stickers, which is definitely a bummer. Inside the board we have a polycarbonate plate with some pour-on foam in between the PCB and plate. The plate also has some dampening foam right on the gasket points. Underneath the PCB we have some more pour-on foam and the battery. I was curious to see how this board would sound with the tape mod, so after 3 layers of tape, this is what it sounds like. I do really like the marbly poppy sound that the tape added, so this is good for me. Overall, this keyboard exceeded my expectations for $130. So the value on this thing is pretty nuts. I definitely say it's a must in getting some 205G0 for the stabilizers, as the spacebar had a very loud tick, but after the lube it was completely gone. This board is amazing and I'd 100% recommend it.